Lesson 10, the area between two functions. Number 2, we have to find the total area enclosed between the curves y equals x cubed minus x, this one here, and y equals 1 minus x squared, and the y-axis in the domain x is greater than or equal to 0. So we want that area which is shaded there. We need to find this point of intersection to do that. So we'll solve these two simultaneously. So I'll get x cubed minus x equals 1 minus x squared. So we get x cubed minus x plus x squared minus 1 equals 0. Bit of rearranging. X cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. Now doing this by pairs, take out x squared as a common factor. We get x plus 1 minus 1 outside of x plus 1 equals 0. So that becomes x plus 1 outside of x squared minus 1 equals 0. Further factorising, we get x plus 1 times x plus 1 x minus 1 equals 0. Therefore x will equal minus 1 or 1. There's the minus 1 there, and there's the 1 over here, which is the one we want. Right, now I could have done this the same way as did in the previous lesson, and that is I just simply subtract this area from this one. But I'm going to do it a slightly different way to show you a different technique. I'm going to work out the area, this area here, and then we'll call that, say, area 1. Area 1. Then I'll work out this area here, area 2. Right, so area 1 first. Area 1 equals the integral between 1 and 0 underneath the parabola, 1 minus x squared dx. And that's going to give me x minus x cubed on 3 between 1 and 0. Popping those in, we get 1 minus a third. So it's 1 minus a third minus nothing, which gives me 2/3 for that area. Now the second area, between 1 and 0 for the cubic, it's x cubed minus x dx. That will give me x to the 4th on 4 minus x squared over 2 between 1 and 0. That's 1/4 minus a half minus nothing, which gives me negative a quarter. Now, that's because it's below the x-axis, but we want the actual physical area, so we ignore the minus sign. So the total area, which is A1 plus the absolute value of A2, will be 2/3 plus 1/4, and that gives me 11/12 units squared. So a little bit different technique.